54.5. माझा पहिला अंक आहे 0.5.
There was an idea to build a family that learns and grows together. We believe that every child deserves to learn through experience, to question, to explore, to imagine. This is where that belief became reality.
Drishtikoon, beyond sight, infinite insight. Inclusive education, especially in STEM fields, has often been a challenge for visually impaired students.
We didn't come here to teach, we came to learn too. Every class showed us something new about patience, curiosity, and joy.
We have set the rubber band at 0 degrees and now we'll take a different rubber band and set it at 30 degrees as we can see here. The student will be able to analyze the difference between 0 degrees and 30 degrees as we have set the scale here at difference of 10 degrees, 20 degrees and 30 degrees. And now we'll set the angle at 90 degree. The difference can be seen clearly as the difference is of 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. And now we'll change the rubber band from 90 degree to 120 degree as 120 degree is an obtuse angle.
Circle represents the whole number 1. And when you divide it by 2, you get 2 equal halves. When you divide it by 3, you get 3 equal halves. And when you divide it by 4, you get 4 equal halves, and so on. As you can see, as the denominator increases, the size of the fraction decreases. Now you can see that the 1/3 part is significantly bigger than the 1/6 part. Each piece represents a part of the fraction. They remind us why we started.
Our collaboration with Jagruti School is significant in one sense. That is, in academics, even though students are preparing projects, they are teaching to the Jagruti schools. But the significant thing is that in normal academics, the life values like empathy and compassion are not developed. But when such outreach activities are organized, this kind of values are developed among the students, which is very significant for the life.
We at MIT aims at empowering students.